Alright, got some boulets from my buddy Cuz over at East Texas Outlaws. These are 300 black. These are Barnes TSXs, BTs. They got them down at 1,800 feet per second. A 150 grain bullet. Now I'm going to do a double hitter with these. Just going to see how they group. And then do a water catch with them. Alright, again doing the double hitter. Going to see, now this is sighted in for Marty Blacks. So this is going to be not for accuracy, just checking the group on the accuracy of the one pulling the trigger. And going to do a water catch with it. Alright, so here we go. We got here and here, and I pulled on that one, that was mine, so holding together pretty good. And then on the water catch, it decided not to catch. It actually went through all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jugs of water, which there is a ding back there on the back, so we'll have to try the water catch later and take a look at the bullet. But there you go. So far I am definitely liking that bullet from Cuz. Again, got these from Cuz. As you'll see in the double hitter, they grouped nicely. I mean, especially for the cheesy way I was shooting. Grouped together, and then I pulled on the third one. And then it actually impressed the hell out of me when it went through every single jug. And there was an actual little indentation on the back of the board. So that's 6 jugs that plowed through and then bounced off. And like I said, out here right now with the color of the dead leaves and everything, I ain't gonna find that one. It would have been cool to see it, and didn't have enough water jugs to do another one right now. So there you go.